So today's video, we are going to be doing a custom set of our grape jelly press-on nails. This buyer has included her nail sizes, so those will be the nail sizes that we will use for this video. If this is your first time watching, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So I'm just coming in and prepping the nails, getting ready to apply the gel polish. I'm cleaning off any grit or debris from filing them, and I'm going to wipe them down just to remove any grit so that it doesn't show up underneath the gel polish. after I get done baking these, I'm going to start to file off the numbers that are on the bottom of the nails, just because these are a see-through nail, and when the buyer wears them, they don't want to see numbers on the bottom. So I'm going to remove the numbers, and then I'm going to add a top coat, a little bit of top coat to hide the scuff marks from me filing it. When you get ready to add the top coat to cover up the scuff marks, you really don't want a lot. You really want like barely any on the brush, because too much on the brush will cause it to flow into the well of the nail, and it will sit there and it's not going to be cute. So you just need a little bit on your brush to cover up those scuff marks. So now I'm getting ready to box these up so that they can be taken to the post office to be delivered to the buyer. I'm not for sure why, but I always have a hard time getting the red, that red piece off of the double-sided tape. So here I am struggling. So what I like to do before I place them in the boxes, I like to clean them off, remove any fingerprints, or make sure there's no excess gel polish that may have rolled off onto the side, and just make sure everything's in perfect condition before I send it off. That way I limit the amount of complaints, because I know I thoroughly checked it before it was even shipped off. I also like to clean them because, I don't know if you can see it, but the blue tacky stuff that I use to hold the nail onto what I design them on, sometimes that gets on the nail, and to remove it off I have to clean it with alcohol to get that off, so that when it gets to the buyer it doesn't have the blue sticky stuff up there. So usually what I do is, after I take them off of the post, I organize them or arrange them in the order that they should go on the hand, just because with the jelly nails I remove the number off of the bottom, so if I misplace it, like, it would be hard to tell. But I've been doing this for so long, just doing nails period, that I can almost look at a nail and know which finger it's for. But for the buyers, I always make sure to put the nails on the box going from the left hand to the right hand, and then the extras on the end. So we are all done. I'm just going to wipe them down one more time, and then I'm going to get ready to ship them to the post office. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on the next video.